Hello and warm welcome to our new channel, Forex Trader. I am Taha. Hey there, financial gladiators. Welcome to Forex Insights, the YouTube channel where the currency market heats up. We're your go-to destination for cutting-edge research, hot-off-the-press updates, and jaw-dropping analyses that dissect the global Forex scene. Craving forecasts that crack the code on future trends? We've got you covered, deciphering market movements with the precision of a codebreaker. Want the latest whispers and breaking news before they hit the mainstream? Consider your ears plugged into the world's most intricate financial network. And need in-depth analyses that peel back the layers of currency fluctuations? We'll be your Forex surgeon, revealing the inner workings of every tick and tock. So, buckle up, traders. This is your portal to the thrilling world of foreign exchange. Hit that subscribe button and join us on a high-octane journey through the ever-shifting sands of the global currency market. Let's unleash the power of information, conquer your financial goals, and make every trade a victory dance. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for latest updates.